Oh my gosh, it's so bright out here. I need sunglasses. Don't look at me too close. I'll hold you far away. I can't see. I gotta go find some sunglasses. Happy Mother's Day to me. I have a Mirador 10 by 20 foot pergola that me and my nephew are going to attempt to put together today. It's supposed to only take 4 hours. We're going to see. We're off to a good start. We don't have any of our tools and stuff ready, and I can't get the box open. So right now I'm trying to get the box open. Nathan's going to get a box cutter, but let's see if we can make this. So close. So we've got the outside wall built. There's the inside wall. Nathan is now loosening up the bolts on the two ends. We just got two things to put on, and then it's just louvers, and we think that'll be easy. I don't want us to do too many and then find out we did this wrong. Oh my goodness, y'all. As I was downloading all my files, I thought I had downloaded everything and cleared my SD card off. I should know better. I usually don't clean my SD card until I've got my final cut of my video done, but this time I thought I went and looked and checked to make sure I had everything, and I deleted it so I'd have plenty of room on my SD card. And dummy me, I'm missing about 5 hours of me and Nathan putting that pergola, the finishing touches on it. So I took a picture and posted it to Instagram and Facebook that evening. What was supposed to take 4 hours took us 8. A good 8 with maybe a 20-minute break for lunch. It took a long time to put that together. But, you know, if it was stick built, it would have took forever. And it'd have been a lot more expensive. But I'm pretty happy with it so far. I'll give y'all an update maybe in a couple more months and see how it holds up. What we did is we put all those louvers. We had to put those brackets on, one on each end. We put all the louvers up into the top of that pergola. Each one had to have a bracket on each end, and then it had a real long bar that keeps it together where you can like make it open and close, and we put the crank on and all that. But anyway, it's up. I haven't leveled it up yet, which is probably really dumb. You should do before you put all the louvers in, but I didn't have the stuff to do that, and I'm impatient, so I went ahead and put it up. But it's fine. It's pretty heavy. I'm going to level it up and then I'll bolt it down real good to the concrete pad. Yesterday I went to Home Depot looking for shims to make the poles straight and stuff, and they had this cute little set of furniture. I wanted a sectional, but I think it's just too big, and it really limits where you can put the furniture when you get a big sectional. So I went with just the love seat, 2 chairs, and it came with a coffee table. I got it for a great deal. It came with cushions, and I bought some extra little pillows, and I got the matching whatever Lowe's had down on the floor. I liked it. I mean, Home Depot. I keep saying Lowe's. They had a cute little rug that coordinated with it, and I liked it, so I got it. And it's a dark color, so it won't show stains real bad. And it's an outdoor carpet, or rug, an outdoor rug. So I think it'll do good. So I'm just going to play with that. Look at my foggy glasses from being on my head. Kind of muggy out here. I need a fan. Can y'all see the sweat dripping down my face? This is the humidity in North Carolina. It's probably only, I don't know, 70 degrees or less, but I am soaking wet and my glasses are all fogged up. It's crazy. I'm going to go find a drill bit for the 2 chairs that took way too long. I need to work smarter, not harder, right? Come here, Cameron. Do me a favor. It's right here. Can you like pull that in? It's the last 2 screws, and I'm about to sweat my butt off. I'm gonna pull it, and I want you to just see if you can hold that and try to line. See the little hole right there? I can't really see it good. It's righty tighty. Not too far in. Okay, come back just a little bit.
Come back just like a little bit.
There you you go. Good job. I think it's in. See if you can use the drill on it. Perfect. Tighten. See if you can tighten that one a little bit more. Alright, that's good. Yay, thank you. I could not get it to line up.
I couldn't get that bit over there.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. What's up, monkey butt? She went to Home Depot today. We walked all the way on to Home Depot. She got a pup cup today from Starbucks.
Oh my goodness.
She had a big day. Oh, this is still it is. Oh my gosh. I don't go to Starbucks a lot, but today I just really wanted to try their pink drink. I've never tried it. That's pretty good. I'm a big strawberry fan. That's good, and I was afraid it would be very milky, but it's not. Okay, but the main reason too is I got Sadie a pump cup. I want to see what she's gonna do. I want to see how she's gonna react. Turn it around here. Sadie, I got you a pup cup. I got you a pup cup, sweetie. You want to try a pup cup? Oh, what is that? I think she's a fan. Getting a mustache. Is it good? Is it good? Brain freeze. She's like, is somebody watching me? It's like the cup needs to be a little bit wider. She's a fan, y'all. How sweet. So I'll pay $6 for my pink drink because they give her a free, I don't know, quarter worth of whipped cream, but she loves it. How sweet is that? There's a little bit on the side. Do you get it? Look, right there. Yeah, there you go. Still a little bit in the bottom. Get it, girl, get it. How cute. I think, let's see. Yep, it's all gone, girl. You did good. Yum. I don't know about y'all, but I don't have time to hardly do anything. I've got just like 4 days this week and we're heading off to Banff, Canada. I'm super excited about that. I'll probably do a whole video on that trip. The weather there is going to be like from 40 to 60 degrees, so it's going to be kind of a little bit of a shock, and the elevation is going to be a lot higher, but I'm super stoked about it. But I've got 4 days this week to get everything done at the store and for my dad. I'm going to use some of his furniture with new stuff and try to make it as homey as possible. But this week is the week that I've got to get everything packed up and decide what I want to take over there and have it ready to throw in the van and take over there the day after we get back from Banff, Canada. So a lot going on this week. It's always scramble time right before vacation. Both me and my husband are self-employed, so it's always hard. My employees are brand spanking new, so I'm a little nervous about leaving them running the store without me, but I have confidence they're going to be okay, and hopefully they can still get in touch with me even though I'll be international. Busy week, so I'm just going to take y'all along with me today. I look rough. I just threw on some clothes. Mondays, I love it when people say, oh, did you have a fun off day? Did you have your day off? Monday is my day on, girl. It's like on like Donkey Kong, get it all done, because the rest of the week you're working all day. So Mondays are always packed full of appointments or getting all the chores or junk done that you can't do during the other days. So it's on like Donkey Kong today. It's gonna be a busy one. There's also a lot going on with my dad. I'm actually heading over to see him right now. I've got a care meeting. So a care meeting is you meet with the nurses and the people that are taking care of him, and like you come up with a plan of going forward, what's going to be going on. So I'm pretty sure this care meeting is about his discharge.
Hey everybody.
Dad, are you ready to go home? Are you ready to get out of here?
Yeah, I'm ready.
This place is really nice. This is the living room. We're about to have a care meeting in here, but it's a really nice place to come with the family and just visit. And we have our little care meetings in here. So this morning, that's what we're going to be doing, and be talking about Dad getting out. Because he had a second fall, it kind of messed up how many days he could be at their facility, which he is very like climbing the walls at this point, bored and ready to get out. I think I'm going to buy him a really nice electric recliner that'll be real easy for him to get in and out of. I'm also going to sign him up for an assisted living. That's part of today's assignment, is buy some furniture for him. I also need to start packing some of his things, getting that ready, because really, like, I'll be gone all next week. So this week is the only week I've got to get everything prepped, and then Sunday, the Sunday after we fly back in, I've got to move him into his, I've got to move all, like set his room up and that I want to do a whole video of that. So I forgot to tell y'all a couple really cool features about this pergola. One, I can have it open like this, and then on this side it's closed. It's 20 foot long, so one side's 10 foot and the other side, so I can have one open and one shut, or both shut. It also has little gutters along this right here. So when they are closed, the water will go there and it comes down the poles and drains out the bottom. This whole structure is metal, so nothing is going to rot. And the other thing is it's been coated. This looks like wood. It's actually, they call it a cherry, dark cherry wood. It looks just like it. It even has the texture of the grain, but it is metal and it should last a very long time. I probably can paint over it if I need to, but I like it just like this. I hope it holds up. They have some other accessories that you can buy, like, what are they called? Shades that you can connect to the sides. I may get them down the road, but they're kind of pricey compared to what the whole thing costs. They're kind of pricey, but down the road I may need it, like for this side and this side here. In the morning this gets full sun, and even with it closed the sun comes underneath. It's still not finished. I got to bolt it down and secure it and make it level and everything level and straight. There's just so much going on. I don't have time to finish it out, and I don't want to hold the video that long, so we'll just do an update in a couple months and see what it looks like then. My sister-in-law just redid all my beds, and she planted plants, got all the weeds up, and it looks so good, and mulched it out. And so hopefully those plants will also be bigger and better, and I'm probably going to add more stuff to that too. I'm definitely going to spend more time out here. Fix me a little drink, and Sadie is laying over here in the grass. Let y'all see her. She's just laying back behind me. I love to see her laying in the grass. Hey, Sadie. Sadie. Hey. And she likes just hanging out here too. So we're going to have a good time. The only other thing I can think of is I might need a fan. Because like right now, the wind is not stirring. It's not hot, but it is definitely muggy here in the south of North Carolina. I can just kick back and just relax. Listen to the birds. Listen to the birds, y'all. That's it for now. Thank y'all again for watching, and again, I don't think I'll be able to get you a video next week, but the next one, okay? And it'll probably be up Banff, Canada, and it's beautiful there. The Rocky Mountains. I can't wait to share that. All right, y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye.